When you start eating 2 eggs every day, here's what happened to your body. Is it bad? Welcome back to Corporal Health, your home for science-based wellness tips focused on strength, longevity, and vitality in your golden years. Today, we're cracking open the truth about eggs. Yup, those humble little ovals in your kitchen could be one of the most powerful foods for senior health. So, what really happens when you eat 2 eggs every single day? Let's find out. The muscle preserver. As we age, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. This can lead to weakness, slower metabolism, balance issues, and even a higher risk of falls. But here's the good news: eggs are a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle tissue. Just 2 eggs give you around 12 grams of high-quality protein, enough to help maintain lean muscle, especially when paired with gentle strength training like resistance bands or chair exercises. For seniors, this is key to staying active, independent, and strong. Eye protection in every bite. One of the lesser-known benefits of eggs. Eye health. Egg yolks are rich into antioxidants, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These nutrients help protect your retinas and reduce the risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, which are common vision problems among older adults. So, eating eggs could literally help you see the world more clearly for longer. Debunking the cholesterol myth. Now let's address the egg in the room, cholesterol. For decades, eggs were unfairly labeled as bad because of their cholesterol content. But modern research paints a very different picture. Studies now show that, for most people, eating 1 to 2 eggs per day does not increase the risk of heart disease. In fact, eggs can raise your levels of HDL, the good cholesterol, which actually helps protect your heart. Plus, omega-3 enriched eggs may further lower triglycerides and improve heart health. Brain-boosting nutrients for seniors. Your brain loves eggs because they're one of the best natural sources of choline. Choline is essential for memory, learning, and communication between brain cells. As we age, cognitive decline becomes a real concern, but choline has been linked to better memory retention and may even help reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Just 2 eggs a day provide around 250 milligrams of choline, close to the recommended daily intake for adults. Weight management and fullness. Eggs don't just nourish your body, they help control your appetite too. Their combination of protein and healthy fats helps you feel full longer, reducing the urge to snack on sugary or processed foods. For seniors who are managing weight or blood sugar, this satiety can be a game changer. Who should be careful? Now, are eggs for everyone? If you have specific dietary restrictions or genetic conditions like familial hypercholesterolemia, it's best to consult your doctor before making eggs a daily habit. But for most healthy seniors, eggs are a safe and powerful nutritional choice. Conclusion. The takeaway. So, what happens when seniors eat 2 eggs every day? Stronger muscles, better brain function, sharper eyesight, improved heart health, and less hunger throughout the day. All from a food that's affordable, accessible, and takes just minutes to prepare. If you're not allergic or medically restricted, adding 2 eggs a day to your breakfast could be a smart, science-backed way to support graceful aging. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with a loved one, and don't forget to subscribe to Corporal Health. We're here to help you thrive at any age. See you in the next video.